So here we are at the top of the market, approximately 20,000, retraced down to 3, bouncing back. Here we are around 9,400 today, 9,300. I think our peak was here 90, maybe we got to 9,500. I think we broke just for a few seconds. We see a continued peak here. You can see the target still remains in the 11,600 area. 11,300 to 11,600 is the max expected peak. It should flash up there and then just violently flash back down. It's going to be very, very brief. That is my assumption. And then a large correction will develop. One that could bring us back as low as 5,300. I'm going to print that on the chart now for everyone, so that if it were to occur, I could get my due credit for saying, hey guys, be careful for 5,300. I'm going to try to round that up just to make it easy for everybody. 53.13, there you go. The Murray math line around that area, what do you know? Middle of the frame. And probably 1/8 higher. Can we get a drum roll? Is it going to be 2/8? Look, the line is crooked. Can we get it? Is it 2/8? Is it 1/8? Is it 1/8 and a half? What is it exactly? Well, what do you know? What do you fucking know? It's 51.60. That's what it is, 51.60. So you heard it here first. Could be a nasty correction after we get to approximately 11.12. So this would be like halving the rally, more than halving the rally. I want everyone to mentally prepare for that ass whooping. If you're not ready, you're going to be buying. I know a couple of people, they like to buy all the time. This is the kind of thing that would just utterly destroy their entire bank, just wipe it out. They'd keep buying, it would keep falling, and it would fall a long time. It would feel a lot like this. However, it happens in like 3 weeks, 4 weeks, a month. It's very brief and painful. I would say that the rally mathematically looks to lose. Here is the 62.5% line, so it's about 70% of the rally could be given back. So this is just a technical, repetitive theory in wave theory. We have lots of reasons to believe that this number is highly probable. That doesn't mean it is gonna happen. Just it's one of the numbers that we track, and it's at one point it'll become the highest probability. Right now it's not. Maybe it never will become the highest probability, but it could become the highest probability target. It is right up there in only one of two other candidates. I mean, it can either continue going to 1350, it can shift and go all the way to the top of its frame here at 20,000, or it can return back to 5,000. There's not that many options, really. It's really only 3. The center of the frame below you, the center of the frame above you, and then the full frame above you. So you have 3 options. So you can say there's a 33% chance, taking an even distribution, that this would be the event to come. So anyway, keep that on your radar screen. We need to start being careful. We are at the top of the frame. Just to remind everybody, the top of the frame, 10,000. Bottom of the frame, 0. Okay, so we're at the top of the frame. We're not quite there yet. The green is me drawing this in. We're saying this is the expected move. And between now and then, what do we have? So between now and then, we want to make profits. We don't want to give up, the easy trend. This is a lot of traders miss out here. They get scared. They can't get in. So we want to make sure that if there's more forthcoming, we get in. We don't miss it. We have, just as we've been targeting for at least the last month and a half, we've been targeting the reflection box of the whole move, and we knew that the 37.5% line was here, and we've actually finally achieved that.